$100 for a single XRP? To most people, that sounds like pure fantasy. They'll immediately point to the massive 99 billion token supply and laugh. But what if they're wrong? What if the entire crypto market has been thinking about supply and demand all wrong? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're moving beyond the hype and looking at the cold, hard facts that are quietly setting the stage for the greatest supply shock in crypto history. One that could make a triple-digit XRP price not just possible, but inevitable. Let's start with the most obvious catalyst: institutional demand. Right now, we have 8 public companies that have officially announced XRP treasury strategies. We're not talking about rumors. We're talking about formal commitments totaling over $1 billion. Companies like Trident Digital and Vivo Power aren't buying XRP to flip it for a quick profit. They're treating it as a legitimate long-term treasury asset, like digital gold. This is a seismic shift in perception. And this is just the beginning. Remember, Tesla's $1.5 billion Bitcoin treasury purchase in 2021 was a single catalyst that helped ignite the entire market. We now have 8 similar signals for XRP. Next, let's talk about the ETF effect. There are currently 16 spot XRP ETFs awaiting approval from the SEC. Think about the impact Bitcoin ETFs had. They opened the floodgates for trillions of dollars of institutional capital that had no easy, regulated way to access BTC. Now, imagine that same tidal wave of capital directed at XRP. These ETFs don't just create demand. They lock up supply. The coins they buy are taken off the market and held in cold storage, effectively making them disappear from circulating supply. 16 ETFs buying for their clients is a vacuum that will suck up available XRP at an astonishing rate. But the biggest factor isn't speculation, it's utility. The XRP ledger is no longer just for payments. It's becoming the backbone for tokenized real-world assets, RWA already at $356 million and growing fast. Institutional DeFi. Ripple is building a full-stack platform to bring banks on-chain. Stablecoin bridges. Relust is expanding globally, requiring XRP for liquidity. This is the key everyone misses. Utility creates constant, non-speculative demand. Every transaction, every tokenized asset, every cross-border payment requires XRP for fees. When you combine this utility demand with massive ETF and corporate treasury buying, the 99 billion supply doesn't look so massive anymore. It starts to look incredibly scarce. So let's review. We have corporate treasuries hoarding supply, ETFs waiting to suck up billions more, and a utility engine that will create relentless daily demand. This isn't hope. It's a simple equation. Supply is being systematically locked down on all fronts, while demand is set to explode. A supply shock isn't just possible. It's being built in plain sight. The path to $100 isn't a dream. It's a mathematical probability. If you understand the fundamentals, the price chart becomes secondary. Smash that like button if you're holding for the long term, and subscribe for more clear-eyed analysis. This is Crypto Usama. Thanks for watching. Stay smart.